guys, I'm here with my fave once more, RPGHAIR. It's the same packaging as usual. As I open the box, I see this drawstring bag with, you know, the wig in there, and I also got this like extra elastic band. It's like an adjustable strap. I got a wig cap, and lastly a pamphlet. And in here, you know, it's just hair care, and ooh, look who it is. It's me. So yeah, hair care and all that good stuff, you know. It's showing the different kind of, you know, the different features to the lace, you know, pre-bleached and pre-plucked, stuff like that. Yeah, also has their social media listed and stuff. The wig that we're working with today, guys, is a 360 lace front wig. Okay, this is 150% in density. Look how beautiful those curls are. This is deep wave. It's a deep wavy wig. It's 16 inches long. And let me go ahead and show you guys the lace. So this is how it looks. It's like a medium brown lace. It's already bleached from what I can see, and it has 3 combs on the inside, along with, you know, the adjustable straps and stuff. And you can see the lace comes right around the perimeter. So that is nicely constructed. It is also nicely pre-plucked. You guys know I love a good pre-plucked wig. Okay, the lace is looking super good. As I said, this is already pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked, so you know, they make life so easy for you. It comes like with a parting in the middle, but you could pretty much switch it up and part it wherever you want. It feels really nice and soft. I'm not getting any shedding so far. I got 1 strand, and that's fine.
But you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if it don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it.
So what I'm gonna do is, you know, as usual, the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess that needs to come off around the ear portion. Just a little piece needs to be removed. And I feel like for today's wig look, I want to do like a messy bun, like a messy updo, because, you know, sometimes, I mean, it's a 360, so you know, that's the vibe I'm gonna go for. And sometimes, you know, you don't want all the hair down on your shoulders, so that's always like a good way to style it and just make it look effortless, you know. So that's sitting really nicely. So I'm gonna use my got to be, so we're going glueless, no glue today. So yeah, and I have my blow dry hair to put on cool air.
Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing the weight of you of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing the weight of you, the weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulder. Done with my cigarette. And when all the smoke is clear.
Before I move on to, you know, the ponytail or anything, I'm just gonna do the two little swoops here at the side by sideburns. I'm not feeling the vibe to do any baby hairs, so we're not gonna do that. We're gonna skip that. So I'm just gonna do the swoop at the side, and then we're gonna do our little messy bun. You know, whenever you're going to do like a updo or something on a wig, just always apply the elastic band, no matter how much the lace is secure, because you know, you just want to ensure that, you know, you keep it laid no matter what, you know. Up in the top here. But before I move on to that, because I kind of just want to have it like this. Before I do that, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just kind of lay everything like right in the front here. The rest of it don't have to be neat. I just want the front to look like, you know, because remember, we're not doing any baby hairs. All right, so we want this to be as laid as possible. I'm gonna get my hair waxed. You don't have to use hair wax if you don't want to. You could use Got To Be, but it's curly hair, so I really don't mind. I still use my wax on straight textures too. I'm just mindful of how much I'm putting in there, you know. So I think that's good enough. So I'm just gonna, you know, messily bring the hair together. Just do it like that. So when you're not, so I'm not applying any adhesive in the back. So you know, when you're not gonna do any adhesive in the back, you know, messy bun is always a good like option, you know. So I'm just kind of like, you know, playing around with that in the back. So if you want, go ahead, do your swoops, but I really wanted to switch it up today because I always do baby hairs in the front. So this is my first time doing a messy bun without any like swoops or anything. Go ahead and show you guys the back.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear.
It's absolutely no adhesive. I didn't even use hairpins, but if you're having a hard time, you could definitely use hairpins if you wish. But I didn't use any hairpin, and you see how nice and juicy and just soft looking these curls are, and they're actually soft. They feel so soft. So shout out to RPG for this bomb 360 lace front wig. It's a vibe. Nothing nicer than a nice, you know, messy bun. It's really cute. Yeah, so I mean, it looks really good. You know, if you want, you could even go ahead, let me add a little something. Add 2 pieces of like hair from within the wig. I literally just pulled those out from random places. That looks good. That's a vibe. Yeah, so just like that, nice trendy updo. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be sure to drop the specifications on this wig down below in my comment section. I keep on saying my comment section, I don't know why. In my description box, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys are interested in this wig for yourself, the direct link will be there. As I said, there is minimal shedding, so be mindful of that. The density is perfect. It's not heavy, it's not too much, but it's not like it's the right amount of hair to work with. So that's really good. So yeah, shout out to RPG once more. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. and I'll see you guys in my next video.